YouTube. It's Faye. And this is Demeter, named after the goddess of agriculture and grain. Fitting, isn't it? And for today's video, I'm gonna be sort of jumping back in time a little bit to the Lexus that we're gonna be giving away at CarFest. Pull Apart, thank you so much, donated this vehicle to us to get into tip-top shape to donate to a family in need. One of the things that we did was we found some missing parts. If you remember back in our Junkyard Queens video, we found this really gross carpet. And but it was actually the carpet that we needed to complete the interior of our Lexus. So we went ahead and grabbed it anyway, even though this carpet was totally disgusting, because Brittany, my dear friend Brittany, decided that she was able to clean it. So that's what this video is about, how to clean the interior, the carpets of your vehicle. So without further ado, let's get right into it. What are you doing here, Brittany?
I'm gonna spray it with some Tough Stuff because Tough Stuff is amazing. And then I'm gonna scrub it real quick to get all of the top layer of crap off of it.
Gotcha. They're not sponsored, by the way. They are not sponsoring this video, although they should be. They are just awesome, according to Brittany.
Yeah,
so.
oh, I love Tough Stuff. And then after that, we're gonna soak it with the carpet cleaner that's in there and let it sit, and then put a white towel on top and iron it. And the stains should lift up onto the towel.
Whoa.
That's the plan anyway.
I'm so excited to watch this happen.
I am excited to, I'll be excited when it's clean. See, it's already turning like brown.
Oh my God, like
yeah.
Already.
Mm-hmm.
You know what this foam looks like? The top of my latte. See how it's like turning? So
yeah,
when you said
said
drench, you mean like drench. And what is that stuff?
Just carpet cleaner.
It's generic, it doesn't really matter what it is, just carpet cleaner. Okay.
It's literally from the dollar store.
Oh my God, look. Oh my God, look at it. This is very pleasing to watch. So now we let it sit.
Yep.
How long?
I don't know. Sometimes I let it sit for like half an hour, but I might only do like 15 minutes because I'm on my lunch break.
Oh, true. So it depends on how bad the stain is,
yeah,
your time frame, and
if I want to do it again.
Yeah. Okay, fair enough.
Still, okay, yeah, it's still like super wet.
Ooh.
So we're gonna lay the towel. And we have our iron on as high as it will go and steam off.
Steam off.
Yeah.
That's not what I would have thought, Brittany.
Steam off. Well, it's already so wet, it's gonna steam up itself anyway.
Oh, gotcha. Oh, God. Whoa.
I recommend getting an iron that you don't use for your clothes.
Oh, that's
I will not use this one for my clothes again. And that is not burnt towel, by the way.
So that is the stuff coming up off of the carpet onto the towel. When we saw this at the junkyard, I was like, oh, there's no way we should take this because it's like a mess. But Brittany was like, no, we could take it anyways because I'm really good at removing stains. And so I was like, okay. And the rest is history. Check this magic out. After Brittany was done working her magic, I then used her technique on every single carpet in my 4Runner and then finished off the job with one final rinse at my local DIY car wash. So here's the carpet after. And you know what's kind of funny is that when we first picked up this carpet, it was so stained with like this coffee or whatever that we actually thought that it matched the interior of our car better, which is like a tan-ish color. And after we cleaned it, we realized it was actually gray. So whether or not we'll use this, I guess we'll leave that up to the person that wins this vehicle. Oh, and if you don't know what I'm talking about, this is the car that we're gonna be giving away at CarFest. Thanks to COVID-19, we're actually not doing CarFest this year, but next year CarFest will be on again, and we'll give it away to a family in need then. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope that you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next week with my next video. Okay, bye! Oh, hi Lilith. Oh. Are you a chair now? You're a very fluffy chair. Okay. Well, such is the life as a mother.